Hello everyone, I am MMR Manu. Today I am discussing about how to draw a surface area and also take some different sources on the surface area. So let's see. At first I draw a surface area in this surface. So I click the shape and I have to choose the color of the surface. Suppose I choose this one, then I take the rectangular shape. Now this is my surface, so no need to do anything here. And if you want, so you can double click here and you can go the spaces and just click the tracer. That's all. Now I'm taking some sources on the surface area like this ones, and obviously I have to change the color of this source. Suppose one is the circle and another is like I took the blue color and the shape also the different. Okay, that's all. Now I set the value of these sources. So just double click here and go to the spaces, and obviously I have to click the our gases like methane, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, etc. Whatever you want. Then click the measurement, and here we see the tick is the unknown. At first we have to click here and I have to set a value. Suppose I take the 9.00 suppose kg per meter square, whatever you want. That's same here. Here suppose 10 kg. That's all. 50% work is done. Now we have to take the concentration sensor from here. One is here, so you have to set the height must 1 for area sources, and again you have to choose the same gases between the sources and the sensor. That measurements are obviously unknown because we measure this one, and you can measure here with like ppm, ppb and others. Okay, if I run this project, then we have okay, it's already run very fast. And if I click here, so here we see the concentration is ppm 2.112 calculated, and this is our output value. If here this value, the emission the emission rate is 9 gram per meter square per second, so then again maybe this concentration value is this one for these places. Then we can take another concentration sensor, suppose the another locations like here. Then we also set like before, and it's also the unknown. You can check, we can measure the gram for this sensor. Then just run here. Yeah, already done. If we click here, the concentration rate is this one in the ppm, and here is the concentration is this in the gram per meter cube. So that's all today, and the next video I will talk about how to save this output by using the data toolbar here. Okay, so and another good news is the popular software air mode view tutorial is coming soon, and maybe it will help you a much. So thank you for watching this video.